Want to automate tasks like a pro without coding? Today I will show you how to set up n8n with MCP using Docker for free. By the end, you will build AI workflows that can scrape website, analyze data, and even book appointments automatically. So let's dive. So in this video, we are going to see what is Docker and why it is essential for automation, and how to install Docker desktop, how to set up n8n, a no-code workflow automation tool for free using Docker, and how to install and use MCP, that is Model Context Protocol, inside n8n. Also, we will see how to connect AI agent to real tools like web search with MCP, and last we will see how to build a workflow where your AI agents can answer questions using live data. So let's get started. So first of all, just go to docker.desktop and we will see what a Docker is. So Docker is a platform that lets you run application in isolated environment called container. Think of container as a mini computer inside your computer. This means no messy installation. Everything is inside the container. No software conflicts. Each app runs in its own space. And it is easy to start, stop and delete apps without affecting your system. For automation, Docker makes it super easy to run tools like n8n without worrying about breaking your computer or dealing with complex setup. So first we are going to install setup. So just go to Docker, download for Windows. So if you are using Mac, you can install it on Mac, or you can also install it on Ubuntu or Linux, whatever you want. So I am going to install it on Windows. So click on install Docker desktop and I am going to choose Docker desktop for Windows. Just click it and download it. So now our Docker desktop installer has been downloaded and now we will install it. Double click on it. So just allow Windows containers to be used in this installation and click OK. Wait for the installation to get finished. Now Docker desktop has been installed. Now click on close and restart. So after the installation, when you click on close and restart, it will automatically restart your computer. And now we are going to launch the Docker. So just click on Docker desktop and accept. So for now I will just click on Google and I will sign up with my account. Now we are going to just pull the n8n image. So just click on here and type n8n. Click on the latest version and we are going to just pull it and it will start downloading it. It will take some time to download it, so we will wait for it. So now our latest version has been installed and downloaded. Go to the image tab in the Docker desktop and find the n8n image and click on run. And click on optional setting. We are going to give the container a name. So we are going to name it n8n container. We are going to give a host port like 5678 and just set your local path where you want to save the n8n, and we are going to give it a path. So just give it home node.n8n and we are going to set the environment variables. So just give the variable n8n enable community nodes and set this value as true and click on run. Wait for a second for it to initialize. So to access n8n and create an account, open your web browser and go to this localhost. So by clicking on it, it will open the web browser. So click on here and now as you can see, it has opened the web browser for me. Just give your name and type your password. And press next. Now just select whatever you want, and now we have hosted the n8n on our local machine. You can just click on start from scratch and start creating whatever you want. So now we are going to install the MCP, which is Model Context Protocol in n8n. So why use MCP? So MCP lets your AI agent in n8n use real world tools and API like searching the web or scraping data without writing codes or handling messy APIs calls. It standardizes how tools are used, making automation smarter and more flexible. So how to install the MCP? Just go to setting Go to community nodes, click on install a community node and just type n8n nodes MCP and click here and install. So wait for the installation to finish. It will take some time depending on your internet connection. So now our MCP node has been installed. Go to the workflow section and we will create a workflow where an AI agent can answer question using Brave search via MCP. So we will create a new workflow and name it something like MCP Brave agent. And now we will create a chat trigger node. This node will start the workflow when a user sends a messages. Now we will add an AI agent node. So type AI agent. After the chat triggers, add an AI agent node. This node lets the agent use external tools and APIs. So we will just connect the API of our Deepseek. So I have created a video on how to install Deepseek locally on your system using LM Studio. So you can check out that video. So we are now going to connect our local Deepseek model to our AI agent. So just take a open AI node and you have to create a credential. I have already created it. Just click on here and create a new credential and you have to give the API key. So from where you can get the API key, just go to LM Studio where your Deepseek is running and go to terminal. After going to terminal and just copy this address from here till V1, paste it here in the API key section and for base URL type this host docker.internal 123 version 1. Click on save. So now we are going to add a simple memory node. So this node helps your agent to remember the conversation context and connects it between the chat trigger and the AI node. So connect it in the memory section. So now we are going to integrate the MCP server, that is Brave Search. Now we will add the MCP client node. So type MCP client and select the list available tools and we are going to create a MCP, create a new credential and I'm going to give it command the mpx and we are going to give the argument y. To explore all the available MCP server, we will go to the MCP GitHub page and we can see all the MCP available server. Go to the Brave Search API website and create a free account. Just click on subscribe and add the details. For now, you can later cancel it. Now you have subscribed to the free plan. Now we will create our API key. So click on API, add API, give it a name n8n. I will give it a n8n test free and I will add it. So now we have our API key. I will copy the API key. Now go to MCP client tool and go to edit credential. In the argument section, just give this command. You can get this command from GitHub page. Just copy this and paste it here. And for environment variable, just again go to GitHub page and copy this and add it here. Just remove this and paste your API key here and paste your API key here and click on save. Now add another MCP client node and select the executor tool and take the existing credential. Operation must set it to execute tool and specify the tool name from the previous step. You can either set the tool or you can specify it from the, you can either set the tool manually or let the agent to define them. So make sure all the nodes are connected in order. In the AI agent node, set a system message to guide the agent. For example, you are a helpful assistant, or you can also write it as you are a helpful assistant utilizing Brave Search to answer user queries. And double check all the connection to smooth data flow. So now I am going to ask, give me 5 restaurants. Give me the list of 5 restaurants near me. So as you can see, the agent has provided me the list of 5 restaurants like Ristorante del Fiore, Brewster Oyster Bar, Prison Pepper, Tokyo Eatery, and their location. So how it works behind the scene. So the agents receive your message and system instruction. The simple memory node stores conversation context. The AI agent node interprets the request and chooses the right tool, which we have given the Brave search engine via MCP. The MCP nodes interacts with Brave server and performs the search. The results are processed by the AI agent and sent back to you as a clear answer. So experiment with other MCP servers and tools. Explore the MCP GitHub for more options. Try integrating web scraping, data enrichment, or other APIs. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more automation tutorials. And please subscribe to my channel. By subscribing to my channel, you will be helping me grow and motivating me to create all these new videos for you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe. It will be a really good for help so I can earn some money. You can also donate. I will put a link in the description to donate me. So alright guys, see you in the next video.